Welcome to our tutorial on how to give your Google Chrome browser a clean and professional look. Let's get started. First, let's clear out the clutter. We'll start by managing your extensions. Go to the Chrome menu, select More Tools, and then Extensions. Here you can remove any unnecessary extensions by clicking the Remove button. Keep only the essential ones. This will not only declutter your browser but also improve its performance. Next, let's customize the appearance of your browser for a cleaner look. Go to your Settings menu. In the Settings menu, go to Appearance. Here you can choose a theme that suits your professional style. Click Themes to open the Chrome Web Store. Browse through the available themes and select one that is simple and professional. Then click on Add to Chrome. Now look at the difference. A slick minimalistic theme can make a huge impact. Now let's organize your bookmarks for easy access and a tidy look. Right-click on the bookmark bar and select Bookmark Manager. Create folders to categorize your bookmarks. Drag and drop your bookmarks into these folders to keep everything organized. A well-bookmarked bar looks clean and makes finding your links faster. Next, let's make a few adjustments to your browser settings for a streamlined experience. On Startup, select Open a specific page or set of pages. Set your startup page to a professional site, like your company's homepage or a news site relevant to your field. Next, navigate to search engine. Make sure you're using a search engine that fits your professional needs, for which I'm going to be using Google. Next, go to Google Chrome Web Store and search for productivity extensions. Finally, let's add a few useful extensions to browse your productivity. And there you have it, your Google Chrome browser now looks clean, organized, and professional. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching.